Hey guys, Scott Newman Realty coming at you on the blog, November 2013. What the hell is happening out there? For months, we've been talking about how things have been so great for both buyers and sellers. The government shutdown, the furlough days, the instability with what was going on politically for all those weeks this past month really put a damper on things. The market has cooled off significantly. We're seeing signs that the market is recovering again and going back to a more fast pace, but questions remain about REO shadow inventories. When are more of those properties going to be released? So there's a lot of questions out there right now. So it's important if you're buying, selling, whatever it has to do with real estate, that you get the advice of a competent professional. Interest rates are going to be going up for next year, is what all the experts are telling us, and the data suggests. What does that mean? Property prices are going to rise again for a second consecutive year consistently, and exponentially in many areas compared to what we've seen for the last 5 years. What does that mean for you as a seller? Making the right decision is all about having the right data on hand, and it starts with understanding the local market, getting the facts that you need to make an educated decision, and talking to a professional like ourselves. Bottom line is, whether you're buying, selling, renting, investing, contemplating a short sale, whatever it is, give us a call. Let's talk about how the facts and data affects your particular and personal situation, and let's help you make the right decision. This is Scott Newman of Newman Realty, signing off the blog for now.